Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out this 1969 Firebird Convertible.
You know, we don't run across too many 69s, do we?
No, we don't. Hardtops or convertibles.
This is an older restoration. The previous owner restored this like almost 30 years ago. Very solid underneath. Make sure you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com, see for yourself. Check out those undercarriage photos.
You can just keep it running, Dad.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
It runs nice and quiet.
It does. It runs awesome. And we just charged the air conditioning. We had to replace a couple hoses for that, so that got done. Power steering, power brakes. Really nice running driving car. Aluminum radiator, keeping it cool.
Some nice options too, convertible with air conditioning, steering, and brakes.
You can see when they did a really nice job. It's got some chips and some little issues in the paint now. It's just a nice driver. You know what, I'll just shut it off.
All right.
I mean, it's quiet, it fires right back up again easy, so.
Excellent. Hood lines up. This is some of the stuff Chad's talking about, just with age, you know, you got chip. Just some paint chips.
Just a little more like right here, D. Got one here. And that's an Enduro bumper, but it's got some chips and stuff like that. But what it is just a great cruise night, parade car, something you can really jump in and enjoy right now.
Yeah. And it's red. We have a 67 right now that's kind of an orange, and people keep mistaking that one for red, but this is a real red one.
If you come and look at this one, it's red as red could be.
Paint chip here, paint chip there. And in a couple of these spots, looks like when they painted it, they sanded it down to bare metal, because a couple of these chips, you can see the bare metal underneath.
Yeah, they did a good job. Just anytime you drive something and enjoy it, it's gonna age, you know.
Door fits excellent.
Let's have just a little needs to be
scuff there.
Yeah. A couple little tiny chips here. Look how nice and easy the doors open up. The other door is perfect on this corner. This is nice and thin, but you can see it just has a little bit of seam seal here when they jammed it. But it's still nice and thin on the corner. Rubbers were done at that time too, so they're nice and pliable still.
Passenger side door panel's nice. Scuff
Andy
plates.
did a great job cleaning that interior.
Yeah.
You know, just the white interior over time gets a little bit yellowed here and there. But
It's got the full
that pearl
console.
interior looks beautiful now. He really did a nice job on that.
Yeah, it does.
Has a couple cracks on the dash pad. Appears to have the original steering wheel and stuff still all in great shape. But the biggest thing with this one, Dalton, is the look and the way it drives.
Yes.
Go ahead and open the trunk for you. Again, trunk lid right here, when we get to it, is perfect. 100% rust-free. No filler, nothing like that in here. It's really solid. So is our trunk extensions in here. You can see the speckling and stuff. Looks good. Look at the extensions.
Yeah, nice and solid.
It's got the original canisters are all still in good shape. Up in here, you want to look at here too. And Camaros and Firebirds, that's all solid and nice. I'm going to take this boot off while you kind of go around the rest of it. We'll get this top up so we can drive it.
Yeah, it's too cold to drive with the top down today. It's been like negative all week, but we finally got a day today where it's no wind. It's about 15 degrees, and it feels warmer than that with what we've been having lately.
I'd say that's generous, Dalton. It's actually about 10, I think.
The wind helps. It don't feel like cold.
Yeah.
Rear bumper's original. Driver's side's nice and straight again, guys. We have some
You got to be very careful.
rock chips down here. There's just a little bit of rust there.
You just got to be careful when it's cold like this.
With the clips, yeah.
I want to break them.
Got a little bubble right here on this dog leg. But corner door fits great. Again, like Chad mentioned, rust-free corner of the door here.
That one is, ain't it?
Yeah.
I thought so.
Driver's side door panel's in good shape.
Trying to be careful so I don't break any of these clips.
Yeah, I'll finish this
Just
and I'll
because
give you a
it's
hand.
so cold.
Got a little paint chip there. PMD Rallies, BFG raised white letter tires. Cool car. Hood fits excellent. I'm going to give Chad a hand here. We'll put the top up and then we'll take her down the road. All right, we got the top up. It's a manual top, and Chad and I were just talking. I don't know why you'd want a power one. It's just 2 fingers, goes right up, and
Latch is nice too.
And latch is nice too. But yeah, nice canvas, plastic back window. Windows roll up good. We're gonna take her down the road. All right, as we back out of here, I'm just gonna go through some things with you. The heat works. We just put that on, as Chad mentioned when we were walking around.
Works
AC
really good,
is charged and works as well. Had it idling outside for a while, so we're all warmed up.
Oil pressure gauge does not work, D. We're gonna get a new oil pressure gauge in there. Didn't work when I bought it, and
Doesn't work now.
No.
So oil pressure don't, but temp gauge looks like that does.
it's got the factory lights and stuff in here that are hooked up too. They just put an aftermarket
Just to know
set of
exact.
gauges in here.
Yeah.
This one's just not hooked up. It's on the light still. Gas gauge works great. Horn works. We went through all the brakes on it. When we got it, the brakes really pulled hard. So we got that done as well. When I bought it, I was just super impressed. Just by the way it drove.
Yeah,
you
it
know?
runs good.
Yeah, great job on the brakes, guys. Brakes stop perfect. Now, when I bought it, you could hardly use the brakes. They just darted. So
Really?
we went through all 4 wheels, took care of all that. The heater works great. You see what I'm saying, though? The way this one runs, drives, the look of it, it's just a fantastic turnkey driver.
Yeah.
It does have a couple cracks on the dash pad,
Yep,
guys.
we pointed those out.
Okay, good. Just making sure. Making sure you're doing your job, D.
Absolutely.
See what I'm saying? Isn't it
Yeah.
a cool muscle car?
It is.
Look how it goes down the road, too. Steering's perfectly straight. As we look out across the top of the hood, the paint looks really nice. The body lines and the hood lines look great.
Kick down works. That runs like a champ.
That's 72 mile an hour, 75 right there. And you know what? My windows are sealed up pretty nicely.
Yeah.
I don't know about yours.
Yeah, mine too, especially for a convertible.
Here's our brakes, high-speed braking. Great job, Riley. Look at that.
I think the only thing we check this radio.
Yeah, I did that already.
Okay, radio works. How about the wipers? I don't know that we got those checked. Wipers work as well.
Yep. Horn works, everything, gas gauge. Everything works but that oil pressure gauge, and we
Got a
will,
car coming behind
we'll
you.
replace that for you. It does have a remote mirror as well, and
That
that's
works.
functioning. Yeah. I like it.
I do too.
Like I said, a few chips, a few little paint flaws and stuff, but overall, it's got the nice parchment interior. Comfortable seats, nice padding in those seats too. So we're gonna go through the gears here real quick as soon as we
Kind of crazy
get out of
traffic
this stupid
today.
Traffic. Huh?
Finally got some sunshine. Everyone wants to get out on the road, it looks like.
Looks like it.
All right. Shifts
Like
great.
that?
Yeah.
And I like that shifter actually moves over. See that?
Oh, yeah.
So it's kind of a, I don't want to put it.
Like a slap
Not
stick.
like it. Yeah, it kind of is, isn't it? That's pretty neat. Pretty neat idea. The console's in great shape too, and so is the shifter. So many times that button's broke, and so
Yeah.
great shape.
Good car. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.